Hello. Hello. How are
Hello,
you? How are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you.
It's nice
How
to
are
meet you.
how are you?
I'm very, very well, thank you. Mhm. Tell me what's your name, please?
My name is Sasikala. What is
Sasi
it?
Kala. Okay.
You can call
My,
me Sasi. It
I'll
is
do that. My name is Derek.
Derek. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Where are
So,
you from?
no, I'm the teacher, so I ask the questions first. Okay.
Sure, I am from India.
Which city in India?
I am from Andhra Pradesh state.
Andhra Pradesh.
Yes.
Okay, Andhra. Let me write that down. Pradesh state. Okay. All right. Now I will tell you where I'm from. I am from South Africa.
Okay, you are from South Africa.
Do you know where South Africa is?
No, I
Oh,
heard.
you heard about it.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Heard about it.
Okay. So, Sissy, tell me about yourself. What do you do?
I'm a housewife.
Ah, no, you're not a housewife. You are, I'm writing for you what you are. You are a home executive. You're a home executive.
Okay, home executive.
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 Aha, listen carefully. Executive. Tiv.
Okay.
Executive.
Executive. Okay, perfect.
Okay. So now when people say to you, what do you do? Oh, I'm a home executive. I have a business. My business is my home. I do the cleaning, I do the washing, I do the cooking, I do everything. So that's it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Yes. And tell me about your family. Do you have a large family or do you have any children?
I have small family. I have a one baby girl.
Ah, congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. What is your dream when you were young? What did you really want to do?
I want to do become a speaker to speak very well in English.
Yes. Okay.
Before I got married, I
Yes.
have a dream.
What was your
I
dream? To be a speaker?
I, I want to tell you,
Yes.
I completed my engineering here.
Yes. Oh, you're an engineer.
Yes, in
Congratulations.
electronics department.
Wow. Very
Thank you.
good. Yes.
After my studies, I want to do my master's degrees
Yes.
in America, USA.
Yes.
After my studies, I got married. So my dream is
Never. No.
not fulfilled.
Not yet. But it can but never give up on your dream. Okay. Okay. I
Yes.
I am married. I have children. I have grandchildren. My dream only got fulfilled when I was 68 years old.
Oh, you are so, but you are looking so young in speaking, in teaching.
Yes. So I only became a teacher when I was 67 years old. So you
Oh,
must never give up on your dream. Dreams are important because they give us hope, a hope for the future. And always believe in yourself that you can do anything you want to. The only limitation you have is yourself inside and your mind. So always train your mind to be positive and to tell yourself that you are able to do anything you want to. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you for encouraging me.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. Now, okay. Now, you are a young lady from India.
Yeah.
What is your home language?
Telugu.
You are
What is it?
You are Telugu speaking.
Yes.
Okay.
Telugu. Yes.
Aha.
I speak Telugu.
All right. Now, what do you speak any other languages?
Yes, in English and also Hindi.
And Hindi as well.
I, as well. Yes, I understand Hindi, but I cannot speak out.
Okay. So let me encourage you some more. In the world of English-speaking people, there are billions of English-speaking people. But out of all these English-speaking people, 70% can only speak English. They cannot speak another language.
Oh.
Yes. And
Okay.
less than 30% can speak 2 or more languages. Now, if you can speak your language and English,
Yes.
you are better than 700 million English-speaking people. Understand that. So always believe that you can do better, and nobody is better than you are. You already speak 2 languages. You understand 3 languages. So always believe that you are capable of being better than anybody else. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
I saw your profile. You are a engineer.
No, I'm not.
Hydraulic engineer.
I'm a hydraulic engineering technician.
Technician.
Yes.
Okay.
I did not go to university. When I was young, I went to college, and I had to go to night school to complete my college because I did not have the opportunity when I was much younger to go to university. It was my fault. I was not a very good student because I was very naughty. I was an impossible student.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
So it was my fault. But I never looked back. I never complained and said, oh, I'm so sad. I did not do this and I could not do that. It was somebody else's fault. No, no, no. The problem was my problem. But it did not stop me from becoming a hydraulic engineering technician. And I had more than 30 years of sales, technical work, and design work in engineering. And I worked for a very big organization. They sent me to Germany to study. So yes, I did everything that was given to me afterwards. When I had the opportunity later on in life, I took the opportunity and used the best I could. Yes. So I was successful in what I was doing. Okay. Yes.
It's great.
Yes. That's why I always say to my students, don't let anybody say to you, you cannot do it. It is impossible. Impossibility only exists for those who do not believe in themselves. Then things become impossible. But if the Wright brothers did not continue believing that they could fly, make the first airplane, then maybe we would not be going to the moon today.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. So it's important that always believe that you can do anything your mind wants to, and to work, to be encourage yourself. When you wake up in the morning, look at yourself in the mirror in your bathroom and speak to yourself and say, my name is Sissy, and today I'm going to do one special thing. I'm going to learn a new word and maybe do something different. And also say, and all my dreams will come true. Believe that you can do that. You will be able to do that. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. And
Today onwards, I will
Yes,
practice.
you practice, always practice, and never give up hope. What does your husband do?
Yeah. My husband is faster here.
He's a what, sorry? A
Pastor
pastor.
is
Wow,
yes.
so you Christian.
Yes, we have a church here.
Wonderful. Fantastic. Thank you. Congratulations. I'm very pleased to meet you. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, okay. And do you have a big congregation?
What it's mean? It's
Yes. How
members.
many members do you have?
What you say before?
I'm going to
You
write it for
have
you. Congregation.
congregation.
Yes.
Okay.
Congregation is like members.
Yeah. We have 200 members.
Wonderful. Wow. That's dedication. And tell me, do you
Yes.
have a lot of resistance around you from other religions?
Yes.
I'm sad to hear that, but I hope this doesn't discourage you to carry on with the gospel. The gospel is very important. Yeah. Yes.
Yes. So I want to speak English to children here, Sunday school children.
Yes.
So I want to helpful to my husband to speak English in services. That's why I'm learning English
Very good. Okay.
in Cambly.
Aha. I'm going to send you a lesson here. I will send you the
Okay.
link. Now, this link, it has 1,600 different stories, short stories, some of them for beginners. And it also has
Okay.
audio. So you can listen to the audio and then practice. Listen, practice. Now,
Okay.
on your mobile phone has a function said recording.
Okay.
The recording. So when you practice, record yourself when you are speaking. And when you listen to the recording, then listen to yourself speaking. And then you practice and you get it right until your voice is the same as the recording. Always try to do that, okay?
Okay.
Yes.
And also, I am not get any new words to remember, like vocabulary. It means
Yes.
vocabulary.
Yes.
Every time I am forget those words.
Okay. Now, this program, when you finish the top, when you read the small article, at the bottom it will give you a list of the vocabulary, the important vocabulary in the story. And then you practice with that vocabulary and you make your own sentences and practice doing that. It will help you tremendously. And when you speak to me again another day, you tell me if it will help you, okay? Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Tell me about your husband. Does he speak English?
Yes.
That's very good.
Here, my mother tongue, home language,
Yes.
home language.
Okay. That's wonderful.
It's Telugu. Yeah, we are living in village. I living
Yes.
in village.
Okay.
So everybody understand my language,
Yes.
Telugu. And also he speak out English very well.
Your English is not so bad, so you mustn't worry. You must never think that my English is bad because I can understand you and you can understand me.
Okay.
So those factors are important.
Yes.
But just polish it, just practice. The more you practice, the better you will become with your speaking and your thinking in English. Those two things must work together. Reading, speaking, and listening to yourself. That will help you. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
It was so nice to speak with you today. Thank you very much, Sissy. And I hope to speak with you again soon, okay? And
Have
you
a
take
nice
care.
day.
Look after yourself. Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. Bye-bye.
Bye.